Good afternoon. Welcome to the Information Literacy tutorial. It's going to be on using basic functions of Microsoft Word. So the first thing is useful to know about Word is how to open and save a new document. So we go to this Office button here in the upper left-hand corner. We go down to New and then to Blank Document. When you double-click it, you get a new window that creates your new blank document. And then we go back to the Office button, and you have two options to save. You can save or save as. When creating a brand new document, it's usually useful to save as. That way it doesn't try to save as the last thing you were working on. Okay, so we're going to click Save As and name our document. Now then, I chose to name it tutorial document, which is another blank I had created for this tutorial. So I just saved over what was already there. When you save for the first time, most likely it will not already have the file name that you want. So that's how we open a new document and save our document. Now to open a document previously saved, we click on this Office button again. We go to Open, and then if we've used it recently, it'll be in the right in the recent tutorial documents. So we can click, and there's our document. We can also go to Open and choose from the list. Now the next basic things you do in Word is to type an example of your document. So you can type anything you want, just as a tutorial, to format. Now that we have some text, we're going to click our mouse cursor in the box and highlight the text just by simply left clicking and dragging our mouse over the text. And then the format is here. For formatting text, you've got the font tab. If you go directly above, you can click the drop down menu and choose a font. You can also choose the font size. Down below are all your major formatting tools: bold, italic, underline. Straight through we don't use very often. And then these are mostly for doing papers. You can change whether you want it all in upper or lowercase. That's not a very common one to use every day either. Then you've got highlight, so we can go down and highlight our text. Or you can change the color of your text. Now what I'm doing up here is just hitting the undo button. You have quick save, undo, redo in case you undid something that you wanted, and search. And that's your print preview to see how it would look if you got ready to print your page. So that's some basic formatting tools for text. If you go to the next box over, the paragraph box, and if you click down in the more information arrow, it will bring up the dialog box for paragraphs. And as you can see, you can format your whole document paragraph by paragraph, and you can set up the rules of spacing and what kind of indentation that you would like your whole paragraph to be. So that's just a basic primer on how to do some minor manipulation and formatting of text and how to create and open and save your document. So for this, I'm going to save our document and we'll move on to the next section.